My dear old friends, have you are through? If you are 30 years old today, then 31 years age you were not even in this world. And a few years later, you will not be here anymore. 100 years age, there were people just like you. They worked, talked, loved, cried, and lived their lives just like you do today. But where are they now? They are all gone. Their names are forgotten. Their memories have faded with time. One day, you and I will also be gone. The world will stay the same, but we will no longer be here. So think for a moment. Have we prepared anything for the next life? Or are we just running after this short life, forgetting what really matters? I want to talk to you not as a preacher, but as a human being, as your brother. Maybe this little message will help us realize why we come into this world and where true success really lies. Think, reflect. Time passes faster than we imagine. So, my old friends, my last message for you. You, before sleeping, you say 100 times of Allah. Inshallah, after sleeping, your mind will be clean, your heart will be clean, your heart very peaceful. I hope today's message very beneficial for you. And if you mind any question, for contact me my WhatsApp number. Take care yourself, take care your parents, take care your all family members. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi.